Hello everyone, my name is Advait Jayant and I welcome you all to the next course in the series of algorithms in C++. This course is going to be all about stacks and queues. So let's start by looking at what is a stack first. So what is a stack? A stack is a linear data structure which follows a particular order in which the operations are performed. Now the order may be LIFO, which is last in first out order, or FILO, which is first in last out order. So let's say that you have a bucket or a container, and let's say that you want to add some numbers into the bucket or container. So essentially what happens in the case of a stack which is in last in first out order will be that the first number that you add will be the last number in the bucket, and the last number that you add in the stack will be the first number in the bucket. So the real life example we can connect this to is a stack of books lying in a cardboard box. So what happens in a stack of books that is lying inside a box is that you can't actually take out the second or third book without removing the first book from the top. So this is the exact principle behind the working of a stack. The top element is the one that is accessible at any point of time. When we remove the top element from the stack, or basically pop it, is when we can actually access the next element in the stack. So you can only add elements to the top and only remove them from the top as well. So this is how a stack works. Now another real life example that we can connect a stack to is a stack of plates. So whenever we are washing dishes and we have a stack of plates, then we never actually remove the plates from the bottom of the stack, right? So what we do is we start washing each plate from the top. So this means that the plate which lies at the bottom of the stack will stay in the stack the longest. Now let's come to the example that is shown in the figure. Now in our example, we have a stack of numbers that uses LIFO or LIFO order, which is last in first out order. So let's say that initially the stack was empty. Then what we did was we pushed in the number 3. Then we pushed in the number 18. Then we pushed in the number 12. And then finally the number 15. Now this is what our stack looks like after inserting these 4 numbers. Now our order of insertion was 3, then 18, then 12, and then 15. Now since we can only delete elements from the top, the order of deletion when it comes to deleting elements from the stack is going to be 15, followed by 12, followed by 18, and then finally the number 3. So this is how last in first out ordering works. Now the implementation of a stack is quite simple. So what we're going to do first is we're going to create an implementation of a stack using arrays. So in order to actually create a stack using C++, you can use an array, a linked list, or a vector. Now let's first start implementing the stack using arrays. Now in the next video, we're going to be looking at how we can implement a stack using an array.